This is the vintage, circa 1988, Commodore 64. What is it? It is an old computer. And what does it do? Play games. Oh yeah, Kool-Aid. But it doesn't play Kool-Aid games. And to store those games, we have the Commodore 64 disk drive. Let me turn that on for you. See right there. Let me find my copy of SimCity for Commodore 64, the initial version of SimCity. Let me insert this, give you an idea of the size there. Let me put that into here. Oh yeah! Alright. Now let me just turn on my Commodore here. You are now looking at the Commodore 64 operating system. So I type in load asterisk 81. Exciting title. That's right, it isn't exciting. That was sarcasm. Anyhow, most Commodore 64 games had more exciting title screens. And that says 1989 there, although the game was actually written in 85. Load, darn you. There we go, almost there. Now for the cool part. Alright, so now we have this terrain with a, for the era, fancy graphical user interface. I use the cursor keys to move back and forth. So I'm going to take out my game disc and insert my save disc. Yeah, go in there. Alright. Now let's check out my save games. Oh, sorry. I have to check the catalog of names first. Let's see. Newland. Alright. Let's load Newland. La-di-da-di-da-di-doo, waitin', waitin', la-di-doo-di-dee-dee-dum, waitin'. Load. Load. There we go. So that little black spot there is the city. Let me use my fancy joystick to maneuver. Yes, that clicking is from simply moving the joystick. I'm going to maneuver this over here, hold down the joystick button, and we can see my city. Can keep it that way in edit mode here. So you can see the little cars going around, power plant, industrial, residential, and commercial zones, and the squares are the buildings. Oh yeah.